Okay, let's answer some questions, no? Hello, may ask ko lang po if ngayon din po ba marireceive yung pera? Nag-transfer po ako via BPI through BDO 50K. Through BDO 50K, badly need po kasi yung pera, mababalik po ba agad? Okay, ganito if you paid via, if you transferred via InstaPay, then instantly it should be credited to your account already. Parang dapat ilang seconds lang nandyan na yung money agad sa'yo. Sa BPI mo? Ano ba? Teka lang, nalito ako sa question mo. Via BPI through BDO. Or baka from BPI to BDO. So, kung hindi man yan makikredit, dapat immediately magbabounce back yan sa account mo doon sa pinanggalingan. However, there are also instances like yung pagka nagkaka-something yata sa bank or may glitch sila or whatever, which I experienced din, hindi din bumabalik kaagad yung pera na transfer ko, then you should call the bank na. Minsan meron silang mga glitch sa system and minsan nababalik siya sa akin. Dati, parang pagkakaalala ko, parang basta within 1 week na balik yung money. That is kapag talagang napatunayan na, yun nga, meron ng system error sa bank. That's why you need to clarify this sa bank. Kung hindi nag-bounce back, pabalik agad-agad yung pera. Or kaya naman, kung mapupush through siya, kung InstaPay, of course, kailangan nandyan yan agad. Kaya nga InstaPay. But if you used PesoNet, medyo meron siyang clearing time. For example, pinasa mo siya before 10 a.m. Iba-iba sila 10 a.m. Then it would be credited to your account within the day. But sometimes, if you made the transactions after ganitong oras, a certain period of time, like for example, lagpas 11 or kaya 3 p.m., still depends on the bank, may times na ayun, kinabukasan pa nga talaga siya makikredit. And also, pagka pag hindi working days, yan, iba din na hindi siya nakikredit agad-agad. And also kapag holiday. So, yun lang. Sana naintindihan mo ang aking explanation. Medyo mahaba. Yun lang.